So, overall, actually, the trip wasn't too bad. It was about a 12-hour flight. We got here about a half hour early. A little bit in the afternoon, obviously. It was like around 6:30 to 7 o'clock p.m. Got home, no traffic, to the hotel, actually. And this is the next morning now. I'm having breakfast before a nice, really long day. The launch event is actually in the afternoon, so we're going to be out and about all day long doing some sightseeing. We're going to check out the Huawei and the Honor store here in Beijing, just to check out just an actual store that sells dedicated stuff and all the accessories they have here that we probably don't have access to outside of China. So overall, it's pretty good. All the pictures and everything have been taken with the phone. It's been really nice. Battery life is really good. Speakers, audio, playing videos on the plane. I loaded up a lot of stuff, like a whole bunch of seasons of Netflix. So it's really good. I'll share with you guys, of course, some of the pictures from the Forbidden City and as the day goes on. We're at the Tiananmen Square now, trying to make our way to the Forbidden City, and I'm just happy that it's a beautiful sunny day, so hopefully pictures will come out really good. And I got Michelle with me right here. He's checking out his 6T with him. And of course we got Gary. Hey Gary. Gary's with us here. He's helping us out. So man, it's exciting. It's exciting. One of the main gates right now, so I got Michelle right back there doing his video on the OnePlus 6T, and yeah, you're gonna get some of the audio on both, but this is just impressive. Anyways, this is a quick test real quick using the front-facing camera, 1080p, and again, just really smooth, and it's amazing how the sun is. It's just the lighting is amazing. Just it gets really good exposure for me, like as far as the subject, and then you can see just how the background is doing. It's really nice. So I'm supposed to be basically just the main color subject. Everything else gets black and white. It's really trippy to be able to see some of these funky little options that you get in the built-in camera. Just really cool subject isolation, not only in actual subject, but also in color. So hopefully it looks pretty good to you guys. A quick sample of the night video shooting on the phone. The Honor event was obviously a success. The Magic 2 is officially announced. The brand new watch. We have the new, obviously the headphones. A lot of new things came out of it. And just to kind of give you guys a quick look of the where the event was held right there. And of course the bird's nest is actually not that far from the Olympic Stadium down there. So I don't know. We'll see. This is exciting. I cannot wait to get back to the hotel to check out the phone. And I'm going to be doing a live stream there, so obviously I'll link you guys more information in the description. My trip is finally coming to an end. I'm at the airport, actually, in the international airport. It seems like a little bit of a serenity little spot here. You can actually sit down and relax, but it was definitely a great trip. The Mate 20 Pro is a champ. I was able to shoot an entire video using it. I was actually obviously taking a lot of pictures. I posted a whole bunch of them obviously on Instagram. So if you haven't had the opportunity to check it out, please follow me there and you'll be able to see all the pictures I was able to do with it. And my actual unboxing and checkout of the Magic 2 from Honor was done entirely on this phone. Now I didn't edit it on this phone because I didn't have the software installed and I needed a key for that, but I did import it in my computer, but the entire footage was shot on this and the audio, obviously everything was representative of what this phone can do. So how is this as far as a travel vlog? I think this is a great phone, great capabilities, premium build, premium quality hardware. The Kirin 980 is actually a very good processor and I think it's a great device. You have enough RAM to be able to keep it connected and running all the applications you want, and then of course the cameras on this are just fantastic. I mean, second best, maybe, well, the one that I would say is second best to this one would be the P20 Pro, because those cameras were ridiculous as well. The improvements that I've seen as far as the software with the front-facing camera and HDR support is definitely very nice. Dual SIM support is very good. I would have liked to see that memory card that they talked about, but I didn't. And, you know, other than that, it's pretty good. Let me know what you guys think of this travel vlog. First time I'm trying to do it just because this phone is just amazing and it has so much great connectivity across the world, not just in the US, especially with the dual SIM support. In China, I was actually using Project Fi SIM, so I was able to at least stay connected with Google services without any issue. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I gotta go find my gate, and I'll see you guys on the next trip or the next video.